Hello everybody. I have a question for you. How do you learn English with movies? When some people try to learn English with movies, they use subtitles. The problem is that when you're watching a movie with subtitles, you aren't practicing your listening skills. Instead, you're practicing your reading skills. This is not what you want. Listening is much more difficult than reading. So when you learn English, you should do more listening than reading. This is why some people watch movies twice. They watch a movie with subtitles first, then they watch the same movie again without the subtitles to practice listening. Now, this is an effective way to improve your listening, but I think it's really boring to watch movies twice. So personally, I never use this approach. It's not for me. So today, I want to share with you a new approach. This approach is pretty effective in improving your listening and vocabulary. And with this approach, you don't have to watch movies twice. Are you ready to learn about this approach? Here's what it is: watching movies with delayed subtitles. To use this approach, you need a movie player that can delay subtitles. Now, before you watch a movie, turn on the English subtitles and then delay the subtitles for about 2 seconds. This will make the subtitles appear 2 seconds later than usual. Let me show you a movie clip so that you know what it's like to watch a movie with delayed subtitles.
I know you mean well. You want to protect the world, but you don't want it to change. There's only one path to peace. Your extinction.
So what you need to do when watching a movie this way? Well, it's simple. First of all, when you hear an actor speaks, try to listen with full attention. Don't worry that you may not understand. You can read the subtitles later when they appear. Now, if you can understand the actor, then don't look at the subtitles. Read the subtitles only if you don't understand. If the actor is talking really fast, if you feel like you need more time to read, you can pause the movie before you read the subtitles. Now let me show you another movie clip. This time, try not to read the subtitles unless you don't understand. Are you ready? Here we go.
While many argue this should be a basic requirement, there is no law that states the president must undergo any psychiatric exam. The 25th Amendment exists for Congress to remove the president if he or she is deemed mentally unfit for office. But to date, it's never been enacted to its full extent.
How did you do? Were you able to understand the clip without reading the subtitles? If you had to read the subtitles, that's okay. For most English students, movies are really difficult to understand. In fact, even native speakers have trouble understanding movies sometimes. So in the beginning, you might have to read subtitles almost all the time. That's okay. Listening is a very difficult skill to improve. So make sure you practice a lot and do it regularly. And over time, your listening and your vocabulary will get better. Alright, that was an overview of how to learn English with movies. If you want to start using this technique, there's some additional information you might need to know first. So if you want to learn more, click here to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.